Hey investors, this is Gustavo and this is the channel Building Financial Freedom. So I'm here today to bring my September picks. So I'm gonna get 7 stocks that I'll be buying in September, and I got some different sectors and I'll explain one by one. So stick around. So let's go for those 7 stocks. What we have here. Alright, so first we are diversifying. So the first one is a retail discount store, physical and online stores that pay dividends. The next one is internet retail, and it has tech and cloud services, no dividends. Next one is a tech semiconductors, which does have a very little tiny dividend payment. Next one is into the tech, but that's a semiconductor building equipment. Then I have a finance, it's a bank which pays dividends. Most of the financial, especially the banks, pay good dividends. The tech, which is a solar, and a no alcoholic beverage and snacks, who does pay dividends. So let's go for those 7 picks for the month of September. Here we go. This is the first one, Target. So this closing price here for the closing of September 7th. So I'm recording September 8th. So in a month from now, October 8th, I will come and see. But as I always say, I'm a long-term investor, so for me it doesn't matter much if the month goes a little bit up or a little bit down. The long term is what matters for me. I always just keep buying little by little from the stocks. I like it. And this month, that will be some ones I'll be scooping some shares little by little. Price of the closing, $124.46 compared to 1 year ago, which was $170. It's a 27.13% down in 1 year. The dividend payment on Target's a really good one, at 3.5% a year, which anything over 4 or 5% for me is not a healthy dividend. It's unhealthy. It's too much and will hurt the company. So anything, my good sweet spot is like 3.5 to 4.5 for me is like the perfect number. So what's going on with Target? Revenue is growing, that's good, right? But the net income is decreasing. So the company is losing income compared to the revenue. They have another issue going on, which is the theft. The shoplifters took about $750 million in 1 year, in the last year, in Target. So they almost lost $1 billion in people stealing things from the stores. So the price to earnings in Target's really good right now. Every time you look, looks like the stock's going down, and tomorrow's down lower and lower. But that's the good time to buy little by little if you believe on the stock, which by my numbers I like it. I'll be buying Target. Next one, Amazon, the big giant Amazon. So the price today, $137.85. 1 year ago, $133.27. It's about 6.5% gain in 1 year. Dividend yield, nothing. Okay, what Amazon offers? Internet retail and subscriptions. They make good money on internet retail. A lot of subscriptions. People think Amazon makes a lot of money because they see Amazon trucks and people delivering Amazon all over the place. No, that's the cherry on top here. The cloud services is the bread and butter for them as far as money, and it's lots to grow. Another one, they start gearing up to compare with Google and Meta, which is advertisement. So they have lots to grow in cloud services and advertisement. For me, I'm betting Amazon on these two here, cloud and advertisement. The internet retail subscription is okay, but the cherry on top, listen there, cloud services and advertisement. Amazon, my second pick. Third one, boom, Nvidia. Everybody's talking about artificial intelligence and this and that. Look at this price today, $462.41. 1 year ago, $137.14. It's a gain 327% in 1 year. That's the dividend, 0.03. It's like old savings account, right? Okay, why people say Nvidia is already too expensive? It's not. If you can compare the pricing to earnings, it's still lots to grow here in this number. they're growing like huge, 40%, and the guidance is another 40, so they cannot, produce as many GPUs they need. So they're leader in the GPU development. Using those artificial, there's one chip. They said one GPU costs 30 grand, one. So see, if after huge gains this year, stock still not looking to reach. I know it's 100 something times, but compared to the numbers coming further, this is not too bad. So Nvidia, everybody gotta have it. Little pick, little by little. Nvidia, guys. Next one. Here we go. ASML. This price today 637. 1 year ago 476. 33.8 gain in 1 year. Dividend yield 1.16. All right. What ASML does? They do the machine to manufacture those chips, those GPUs. So they are the beginning of everything. It's a secondary way to invest in artificial intelligence other than NVIDIA, AMD. Why? They make the machine to build those chips. So what I does here is the same as you invest in pickaxes and shovels on the gold rush. So you're not there trying to get the gold, but you're there selling thousands of pickaxes for guys to do their job. So that's my bet on ASML, and that company is the only not American company on those picks. That's out of Netherlands. ASML. Next one. Here we go. Big Bank of America. Okay, people are running from banks since February, right? The bank crisis. But the problem is the small banks are the ones getting hurt. And what's going on? People are running from the small banks to the big banks. So Bank of America is the second biggest bank on US. So it's JP Morgan, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo. I get those three. I love to get in those three, but Bank of America is very cheap right now. The price was $28 today compared to a year, $33. It's a 16.2% down in 1 year. C pays a very nice healthy dividend of 3.38%. So what's going on here? Why big banks? They're too big to fail, right? And government's gonna help them either way. Sometimes the little ones they won't, but the big ones guarantee. If those three banks break, if they broke, this country is gone. So I feel safe, Bank of America is very cheap at the moment. Let's go, next one. Here we go. That's a little controversial one here. Enphase. Solar. They design, develop, manufacture, and sell the solar panels, which is a lot of government stimulus right now. The government paying $6,000, $7,000, $10,000 to you to install solar panels in your home. But the problem is the bear market right now is hitting, the home mortgage interest is so high. So the real estate is, it's kind of not moving very well. So when this happens, like Home Depot goes bad, Lowe's goes bad, and everything related to home goes bad, especially, when people finance this. The finance are up on the roof, like the solar panels on the roof too, but the mortgages are a lot. So, but that's a good call because it's $122 today. It was $316 in 1 year, so it's a 61% down. My price target to buy Enphase was 164. Look, right now it's 122, is much less than was my target price. So I'll keep buying little by little. This more, risky, but it's time to accumulate shares. What else? PepsiCo. All right. Everybody thinks PepsiCo is just the Pepsi Cola, the soda. No, PepsiCo has a huge portfolio of drinks, no alcoholic beverages, and a lot of snacks. I can't believe when you open up PepsiCo products, as you see, you can go to any supermarket or any gas station, you see people carrying PepsiCo products. So they're in a bulletproof market, they call. Even in a recession, people still drinking their drinks, still eating their snacks. So that's not much. And you'll see here the price 176. 1 year ago, 173. It's a 1.8% gain. Look at this, 274, very healthy dividend. So PepsiCo. It's my last pick of September. So we'll come back in the beginning of October just to compare a little bit. Like I said, it doesn't matter much to me. I'm a long-term investor. I like to go little by little. I don't even have a lot of money to put it all at once. But even if I had, I wouldn't do it. That's how I do it, little by little. So here we go, guys. Subscribe to the channel. That's a brand new channel. I have like a 25 subscribers only, but I'll keep posting here. I don't mind to have subscribers. I want to grow this channel. I want to see if you guys start, you know, comment on the videos. I can, you know, have a little interaction with you guys. Will be answer every comment. So let's do that, guys. Let's comment. Tell me which stocks you're looking to buy this month, and I'll be answering you back. So thanks so much for being around here. Wait until the next video, and thank you so much, guys. See you next time.